abolish, which means to destroy, to end, to stop, to eliminate. For examples: Ukraine abolishes the war with Russia, therefore, he goes to America to discusses such issue with them. Rumi has goal of 2023 to complete the 50 books up to end of this year. She decided to abolish the badly relation this year. The object of this year is to abolish the caste system in Hindustan. She abolishes the bad behave with old people. Synonyms of abolish, such as do away with, end, destroy, eliminate, shed, cancel, axe, get rid of, ditch, dissolve, junk, suppress, overturn, throw out, discard, wipe out, overthrow, void, terminate, drop, trash, repeal, eradicate, abolish, 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 abolish. Thank you for being here.